Hi, this is Bill with Machinery Consultants out in Salt Lake City, Utah. We'd like to thank you for your time to preview this pre-owned Bridgeport Easy Path. This is an Easy Path CNC manual Romi, that's a Brazilian iron, Bridgeport 17 by 44 tool room lathe. What we have here is the Bridgeport Easy Path controller that you're going to go ahead and be able to load a program into, then execute the program in your X and Z axis. Now that being said, this machine will also run manually. So if you wanted to run this machine manually, you're more welcome to. We're not going to throw chips in this demo. We're just going to basically cut air, if you will. Okay, that being said, we know that we've got, here, let's get a close-up of these ways, if that's okay. I want to show them these ways, James. Speaking of snakes on here, do you mind coming in and showing them these ways right here? Do a nice close inspection of those bedways. I don't want to wipe too much of that oil off. You can see the machine's got the automatic loop set up on it. It's currently set up with a, let's go talk about some of the tooling if we can. We have a Morse taper number 4 live center. We have a nice key drill chuck here with the 4-to-3 reducer sleeve. That's number 4 Morse taper in the tailstock. Here's your open style steady follower rest, okay? That's going to lend itself to the Morse taper 4 tailstock. So spec-wise, you have a 17-inch swing over bed, 8-inch swing over cross slide, a full 44 inches between centers, 1 3/8 on the spindle bore. Your RPMs are infinite from 67 to 3,000. So a 67 on the low to 3,000 RPM on the high with 24 changes. It's a 3 horsepower main drive motor. The machine is either 220 volt, 440 volt, 3-phase. We currently have it set up at 440 volt. This machine came to us from a research facility. It came out of a laboratory. I had high voltage, so we kept it at the 440. However, it can't go down to 220. Approximate weight on the machine is about 6,000 and 6,500 pounds. What we've got here is it was a research laboratory, and this machine was used very sparingly, and it was very well maintained. Can't say enough about the name. Back in the vintage, when they put this controller onto this iron, it was the cat's pajamas. And I've also seen these set up additionally with an external monitor. Can you swing around this far side? We'll show them one last thing, and I'm going to load a program and we'll cut out. So the way that this thing was set up is basically you've got your controller here. Now additionally, right now we're running a nice 8-inch 3-jaw chuck. Now it's also set up with the draw tube and the lever operated 5C collet closer. All it needs basically, like contact a JFK, they'll do the collet nose for you. So you can do a collet nose on the front, the 3-jaw chuck comes off, then the collet nose goes on the front. You're set up for full 5C collet, ready to go. Here's for your diskette. But this machine is designed to do your programs right there on the line. Let's do a full swing around and we'll show them the inside of the control panel as well. It's kind of critical to show them how clean all this is. Okay, clear. All right, so you're noting on the inside of this control panel here how nice that looks. You see it okay?
Yeah, beautiful.
Right, okay. On the back here, you've got a removable rear splash guard. You've got a pull-out front chip guard, a chip tray. Again, our ways here are fantastic. We have an Aloris tool post with a couple of Aloris holders. Okay, kick it back on. Okay, let's run some programs. The machine has screw links, has a couple of work lights with it. The one last thing I was going to point out, this is kind of off the subject, but if you desire to do a front-mounted 5C collet chuck, that's what this would look like. You can also do a front-mounted as well as the draw tube that's in it now. So as far as the tooling goes, that's not a problem on this machine. Let's go ahead and see if we can do a program here. I'll play with a few buttons here. So we have our jog, our move, our save point, our exit. Here's your RPMs basically listed. Here's the program thread. That being said, we're going to go ahead and hit activate. We're going to go ahead and load that program. Let's see, use jog.
You can escape out of that.
Escape out.
Or exit 0.
Exit 0. Okay, here's your tool library. Oh, additionally, I forgot to mention you can set up a tool library with your tool offsets. I think you can store up to 99 different tool libraries.
Go to run, plus.
Okay, ready.
Load, left arrow.
Load. Okay, here we go. All right, action's back on. We're gonna run program threading. Let's go ahead and kick it at, well, we've got our feed rate already set up at 150%. Okay, ready, clear. It's saying go to desired tool, change your tool out, ready. Now you can see the Z-axis is moving. We have it slowed down to the point where we're just kind of running through, but I don't know if you can see the Z-axis moving. This is our nose cap program. It's kind of boring, but the drives, the motors, the spindle, everything's nice and quiet on this machine. The only thing I'm not going to do, in essence of saving time, is to go in and change a bunch of spindle speeds. But again, we've gone through, we ran all of the spindle speeds from slow to fast. We're currently running right now at, what is this, we went to 375, something like that. But here's your threading, here's your spindle speed chart, here's your reference chart. So you can do any sort of thread on here that you like. The nice thing is you've got your feed rate, you can run it manually, you can run it MPI mode, you have the power rack and traverse. Again, we talked about the coolant, spindle capacity at 1 3/8, the open stop steady rest. We're throwing in a bunch of tooling to make it happen. Should we wrap it up?
Yep.
Okay, so on behalf of Build Machinery Consultants, we'd like to thank you for your time to preview this video. Let us know. Send us a part. We can create a program for you, cut a program, do whatever you need, more on video. We're at www.machineryconsultants.com. We're out in Salt Lake City, Utah, 801-531-9500. Again, please feel free to inquire on this. This happens to be stock number 4,648. That's 4,648. Until next time, be happy, be healthy. Thanks for shopping with Machinery Consultants. Have a great day.